In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create campaigns in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just dipping your toes into the world of email marketing, setting up a campaign in ActiveCampaign is a straightforward process that offers a variety of options to tailor your outreach. So, let's get right into it. To begin, you'll want to open up your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel and locate the Emails section. This is where we'll kick off our journey. Click on this section, and you should see an option to create a campaign. Go ahead and select that. The first step in setting up your campaign is to give it a name. It's important to choose a name that is clear and descriptive because this will help you identify the campaign later, especially if you end up creating multiple campaigns. It also ensures your team can easily keep everything organized. Now that you've named your campaign, it's time to select the campaign type. ActiveCampaign provides you with several options tailored to different marketing needs. You can choose from a variety of types such as standard, split testing, automated, RSS triggered, autoresponder, or date-based. Each type offers unique features, so think about your campaign goals. For example, if you're looking to compare different email strategies, split testing might be your best choice. Or, if you're aiming for ongoing engagement without constant oversight, automated could be the way to go. After deciding on the type, you're presented with a choice of how you want to start your email design. ActiveCampaign gives you the flexibility to start from scratch, use one of their pre-designed templates, or even get creative assistance through AI. Choosing to start from scratch allows you to build an email exactly the way you envision it. On the other hand, utilizing templates can save you time and help inspire your design by offering a wealth of options that you can personalize to match your branding. If you decide to engage AI, you can input prompts that describe the purpose and desired aesthetic of your email template. This can be particularly useful if you're looking for a fresh perspective or are pressed for time. No matter which path you choose, starting from scratch, using a template, or collaborating with AI, you'll find that ActiveCampaign supports you in crafting a professional and effective email campaign. Just remember to stay true to your brand's voice and goals while personalizing your campaign. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating impactful campaigns that resonate and engage with your audience. Thanks for joining me today as we explored how to create campaigns in ActiveCampaign. Keep experimenting and refining your strategies, and soon you'll see the power of streamlined, targeted communications in reaching your marketing goals.